Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Hello everyone, good morning. Good to see you on a windy, coldy and rainy morning. Thanks for coming all the way. My claps to you all. Temperature 21 bit more? Yeah. Actually, I didn't wear any jacket when I was coming. So I thought, did you feel very cold actually? No. Okay, good. How about here inside? Is it okay? Good? Okay, keep it 21. So we should not be too comfortable and we should not be too feeling very difficult, right? At the right time, at the right place. Life is all about balance. Should not be too much on this side, extreme. You should not be too much on this side. Right or wrong? Suppose you are eating. You should not eat too much. You should not eat too little. Somewhere in the middle, right? Yeah. And what else? You should not sleep too much. And you should not sleep too little. There should be a balance. Yeah. Same thing. In relationships, it's the same. Oh, Moni, I'm so happy with you. It's okay. If I hug her for 10 minutes,
Too long.
That's too long, right? It's like a music. Ting, and then a pause. Ting, pause, right? If there's a ting, is it a music or noise? Yeah. So life has to be music or life has to be noise?
Music.
Yeah. So it's all about being in the middle, right? Anything. Just see if you are on the extremes or you are on the middle. Okay. Today we are going to do a funny thing. Before we start that, I just want to introduce one other thing. Yesterday we learned doubling. You can also do tripling. Right or wrong? What is tripling? Go ahead.
Multiply 3 times?
Yeah, actually it's multiplying by 3. Suppose I have a number, say 5. Triple of 5 means how many 5s I have to add? 3. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, how do you want to do this?
First multiply it by 2 and
Yeah.
then add another 5.
Yeah, that's the easy way, right? Okay, double it first and then add one more 5. Right or wrong? Okay, what is the double for 5?
10.
10 plus 5.
15.
Are you all okay? Okay, now I'll ask you a tough question. What is the triple for 7? It's very, very tough. 21. How did you get it?
I did 3 times 7.
Oh my god, you did 3 times 7. Okay, so what is the double for 7?
Double 7 is 14.
So, okay, 14 plus 7.
1.
Wonderful, you did wonderful. What is the double for, triple for 21? 21.
63.
63, right? What is the double?
42.
42, and then add one more 21, you get?
63.
63. Okay, so triples are also easy. Now we'll start, okay? Today what we'll do is, we'll make the tables up to 1 times 1 to 10 times 10 using doubling and tripling and halving. Before we start, I want to ask you a little tough question. Are you all ready? Ready? Okay. What is 4 times 2?
8.
8. Ah, you know this. What is 2 times 4?
8.
It is the same. Okay. What are you doing here is you are multiplying 4 times 2. That means what you are doing? Yeah, you are actually adding how many 4s? You are adding 2 4s. When you are multiplying 2 times 4, what are you doing here? You are adding 4 2s. Right or wrong? They are the same. Okay? You all know this? Okay. Now we'll start the game. We're all set? We're all set. We will fill this table now using doubling, tripling, and halving. Right or wrong? Okay. So we'll see what are the easiest things. What are the easiest things to do? This is multiplying by 1. Means do you need to do anything?
No.
1 times 1?
1,
1 times 2?
2,
2.
3,
Oh, this is easy. Oh, that is so lovely.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hey, that's wonderful. If 1 times 2 is 2, then there is the same one appears in another place also. Where is that? 2 times 1 is also? Right or wrong? If we fill this, the answers to this line also
It's complete.
is complete. Okay, go ahead. What is this? 2 times 1 is also?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ah, that's very easy. Right or wrong? Okay. What else did we learn yesterday? The easier ones. This is easy? Multiplying by 10 means what you have to do?
Just add a 0.
Just add a 0. Okay. 1 times 10. Oh, it's already there. 2 times 10.
20,
Okay. 20.
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Okay. If this is done, something else is also done?
The other times row.
The last one is also done. Okay. This is 10 times 1. 10. 10 times 2.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Okay. This is so easy. And then we learn multiplying by 5. Right?
Yeah.
You are able to say that? Oh my god, I should have given you a chance. So, we learned that multiplying by 5 means how to do?
Multiplied by 2 and... Oops, sorry.
Multiplying by 5 means multiplying by? The easier way is? Multiply by 10 and then?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2 means?
Half and half.
Yeah, okay. That means we can do something. What is that? Which one is the easier one next? Multiplying by 5 is where? Okay, we'll go this column. Okay? 2 times
5.
5. Okay, 2 times 5 means how should we do?
10 times
2 times 5. Yeah. Instead of 2 times 5, what we will do? 2 times
2. 10.
10 and then? And then?
Half the answer.
Half it. Okay, what is 2 times 10?
20.
It's already there. Here. 20. And then what we have to do?
Half it.
Half it. What is half of 20?
10.
Okay, I'll put the answer 10. Then what is 3 times 5? How to do it? I want you to use this method. 3 times 10 is
30 and
30, and then you have
half
to
30.
half of 30 is
15.
15. And what about 4 times 5? 4 into 10? 40.
21.
What is 5 times 5?
5 times 10 is 50 and half 50 is 25.
Right. 6 times 5.
6 times 10 is 60 and half 60 is 30.
Wonderful. What is 7 times 5?
7 times 10 is 70. 70 and half is 35.
Very good. 8 times 5.
8 times 10 is 80. Half 80 is 40.
Hey, 9 times 5.
9 times 10 equals 90. Half 90 is 45.
Wonderful. Okay, if we did this, some other things automatically come. What is that?
The 5.
This one? Okay, what is 5 times 2?
10.
It is same as 2 times 5. This is 10. What is 5 times 3?
15.
It is same as 3 times 5. That is 15. 5 times 4.
20.
It is same as 4 times 5. That is
20.
5 times 5. It's already there. Oh, okay. And then 5 times 6.
30.
It is same. Yeah, same as.
6 times 5.
Yeah. Okay. 5 times 6. It is same as
6 times 5.
6 times 5. Okay. 6 times 5. Yeah. 30. And then 5 times 7.
35.
The same here. 7 times 5. 35. 5 times 8.
40.
It is same as 8 times 5. 40. 5 times 9.
45.
Same as 9 times 5. 45. Hey, wonderful. What else you want to try next?
2 times 2.
We'll do the 2 because we know multiplying by 2 means just
Double.
double the number. Okay, which one you want to try? What is the 2 times 2?
4.
Which one you have to double? This one or this one? It is same.
Either.
Either. 2 times 3.
6.
Okay, which one you are doubling?
3.
You are doubling 3. Okay. 2 times 4.
8.
You are doubling 4. 8. 2 times 5.
10.
Oh, doubling 5. It's already there. 2 times 6.
12.
Doubling 6. 12. 2 times 7.
40.
Double 7. Double
60.
8 is 16. Double 9.
18.
18. Okay, if we got this, something else also comes up. What is that? This one. Okay. 3 times 2.
6.
4 times 2. Double 4.
8.
Oh, it's already there. 6 times 2.
12.
7 times 2. Double 7. 8 times 2.
16. 18.
9 times 2.
18.
Okay, very good, very good. What is the next?
3.
Yeah, we'll do tripling?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll do tripling. Okay, it's already there. What is 3 times 3? Means you have to triple what?
9.
3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is?
9.
Good. 3 times 4.
12.
How do you do it? You want to use tripling or doubling?
4 plus 4.
You want 3 times 4. You want to use a tripling or doubling?
Tripling.
Tripling? Okay. Which one you need to triple? 3 or 4?
4.
Okay, that means 4 plus
4
4 plus 4. How much?
12.
12. Okay, or you can say 3 times 4 you can do in 2 ways. You can double 3. How many
Twice.
times? Twice. Right or wrong? What is the double for 3?
6.
And again double it?
12.
12. It's the same. Right or wrong? Or you can say triple 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4. It's the same way. 12. It's already there. 3 times 6.
18.
How did you get it?
6 plus 6 plus 6.
Right or wrong? Right? 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. 3 times 7.
21.
Hey, you already did it, huh? Okay, triple for 7 is 21. What is 3 times 8?
24.
3 times 8 is 24. How did you do it?
When it was 4, we doubled the 2 times. So when it's 8, we can double the 2 3 times.
Right or wrong, Varshita? Okay, you want to double 3 times. Okay, what is the double for 3? First double? Second double?
12.
Third double?
24.
Okay, that's the answer. You remember 24. Okay, or take a triple for 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8.
24.
24. Hey, next 3 times 9.
27.
Okay, take a triple for. Okay, 9 plus 9 plus
9.
is
27.
27.
And then 30.
Hey, by the way, did I ever tell you the easier way to do multiplication of 9? Do you all know this?
Yes.
Yeah. You know this? Using fingers, you know? Using fingers. Okay, all of you put your hands like this. Ready? Okay, this is 1. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, suppose 9 times 5. Okay, just close the 5th finger. And what is the answer here, you see? 4 and 5? 45. You got it? What is 9 times 7? Close the 7th finger. What is the answer?
50.
Hey,
54. 54.
hey. 5 plus 1. Can you count your fingers?
63.
63. You all got it?
Yes.
Okay, do you remember which finger means which number?
Yes.
Okay, so what is 9 times 8? What is it?
72.
Yeah, this is the 8th finger, right? 9 times 8. Okay, how much is here? How many here? 70?
72.
Oh my god, I was off track. Okay, come back. I was off track. Okay, the multiplication of 4 by 4, okay? By multiplication by 4 means what?
Doubling the 2.
Doubling how many times?
2.
2 times, okay. 4 times 3.
Well, it's the same over there and 3 times.
It's already 3 times 4 is there? Somewhere? Oh yeah, 12. Okay, you're right. Okay, 4 times 4?
16.
So that means 4 times 4. How did you get it?
4 times.
You have to use doubling. How many times you have to double 4?
4 times.
4 times you have to double.
2 times.
2 times you have to double. 4 times 2 means you have to double 1 time. 4 times 4 means you have to double
2 times.
2 times. 4 plus 4?
8.
8 plus 8?
16.
Good. What is 4 times 6?
24.
How did you get it?
20 plus 4.
Now 4 times 6. I want you to use doubling or tripling. This is a multiplication by 4.
We could multiply 6 by 2. We
Yeah.
could multiply 6 2 times.
Yeah, no, double 6
Double 6 2 times.
2 times. Right or wrong? First step. Right or wrong? Okay, double 6. First time you get,
Well,
Aryan.
12.
Second time.
18.
Oh,
Oh.
we have to double 6 2 times because we are multiplying 6 with 4.
And then 20.
Yeah, 24. 6 goes to 12. 12 goes to 24. If we have a 24 here, somewhere else we also have the 24. Where is that? 4 times 6. Also get 6 times 4. Hey, what is this? Did we really do it?
No, we forgot to do the column.
Yeah, 3 times 6. 18. So 6 times 3.
18.
Oh, you're right. Actually, we should have copied here, right?
21.
Okay, 3 times 7. 7 times 3.
21.
And then 8 times 3.
24.
3 times 8. We forgot to copy. 9 times 3. 3 times 9.
27.
Anything else we need to copy?
No.
Nothing? Good. Okay, what is 4 times 7?
28.
How did you get it?
Double 7 2 times.
Wonderful. Claps to Anand. Okay, double 7 2 times. 28. And then what is 4 times 8?
32.
How did you get it?
Double 8 2 times.
Double 8 2 times. How much? How many? What is the answer if you double 8 2 times?
32,
So 8 plus 8?
16,
16 plus 16.
32.
Good. What is 4 times 9? You. 4 times 9. You do use doubling. 4 times 9, it's not easy. It's not easy. Yeah, what is the procedure? Which one you have to double? 4 or 9? 9, how many times? So if you multiply, if you double once, it means multiplying by 2. If you double twice, it's multiplying by 4. Okay, so you double 9, how many times? 2 times. Okay, first time you double, 9 plus 9,
18.
18 plus 18. Take your time. Take your time. 18 plus 18.
36.
36. Good job. 36. 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, now we can fill something here.
Yes.
Okay, what is this? 7 times 4. 4 times 7.
28.
8 times 4. 4 times 8.
32.
9 times 4. 4 times 9.
36. There's one more way. We can use the fingers.
Oh, I don't. No, that was off track. That was shortcut. I didn't want to say. No, I don't want. Okay, next. 6 times. Now here comes the important part. Okay, the most difficult part comes now. Okay, okay. Vachita wants to try with fingers. Yeah, no problem. You can try. Okay, what is 6 times 6?
36.
Hey, how do you do this? Is there any way doubling?
We could double the 3.
You can double the 3.
We could double 3 times 6.
Yeah. Wonderful. Claps, John. Please, give claps. So what we said, we need to do 6 times 6. Right or wrong? So what Anand said is, instead of 6 times 6, what we can do? 3 times, take it 3 times 6 and then
Double the answer.
double it. That means 6 he is writing as 2 times 3. Is it right, Aryan? Okay, you can use the fingers later. It's okay. Be here. Okay? 6 times 6. Anand, how did you do it? You take 6 as 2 times 3. What is 3 times 6?
18.
Already we have 3 times 6 is 18. And then times 2 means we have to
Double 18.
double 18. So how much is the answer?
36.
Very good. Okay, now you are becoming very knowledgeable in this. Okay, 6 times 7. How do you do this? The same way what Anand said. 6 times 7. 6 times 7. How to use doubling? Take your time. Can you ever use doubling?
2. Yes. 42.
Yeah, how? Using doubling. I don't want the answer. Babies give the answer. You know that? Parrots give the answer. I don't want you to become the parrots. I want you to become the masters. So, 6 you can write it as
2 times 3.
2 times 3. Now tell me the
2
answer.
times 3, 6.
No, using doublings. You already know this?
42.
What is 3 times 7?
21.
Where is that? Here, right? And then what do you have to do?
Double it.
Double it. That's the answer is 42. We got the same answer. Right?
Yes.
Hey, but now you know better. 6 times 7 is 42. If you get an answer here, some other answer also comes up. What is that?
Underneath the 36.
Yeah, 7 times 6 also comes up. What is next? 6 times 8. Ta-da, ta-da. You can use that easy, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 6 times 8. How do you use doubling?
2 times 3 times 8.
Yeah, so you have to double 6 how many times?
2.
2 times?
No, 8 times.
Multiplying by 8 means you have to double the number
3 times.
3 times. Right? Okay, first time you double. You reach
12.
12. Second time you double.
24.
Third time you double.
48.
48. Right or wrong? Okay, if I have a 48 here, somewhere else also 48 comes. 8 times 6. Okay, 48. And then 6 times 9.
54.
How do we do this? 6 times 9. You can use Anand's way. 6 times 9 using Anand's way.
2 times 3 times 9.
Yeah, 6 you change it as 2 times
3.
3, and then you know this answer already?
27.
27, and then what do you have to do with 27?
27 times double 8.
They are double 8. 27 double is
54.
54. Good job. If we get a 54 here, somewhere else 54 comes. 9 times 6 also comes as 54. Okay, now comes the 7 times 7. How do we do this? Using doubling. Parents, teachers, masters, not you, not you. Okay, that's called an exception. What is an exception? Exception. Okay, that's the odd man out. Right or wrong?
I know the answer, but
I don't care. Parrot, so I don't want you to become parrot. I want you to become a
Master.
master.
What did I?
Hey, we have an exception here. We'll see. Okay, I'm taking the help of 0 there. Okay, we'll come back. Okay, we'll go on the other things. What is 7 times 8? Hey, use Anand's way.
7.
4 into 3.
Yeah, 7 times 8 means you can double. How many? Yeah? Yeah.
4 times
Sorry, can you repeat?
2. 2 times 4.
Yeah, okay. So, okay, 8 you can change it as?
Times 4.
You want to change it for? You want to write it 4 times 2 or 2 times 2 times 2? Which way you want to write?
4 times 2.
You want to write 4 times 2? Okay. So you already know this answer.
28.
7 times 4 you already got it as 7 times 4 28. And then times 2 means you have to double it. 28 plus 28. 56. We get a 56 here. Somewhere we get a 56.
There.
8 times 7 is 56. Okay. Then we go 7 times 9. 7 times 9.
Yes.
Hey, don't use fingers. That's not the way. We have to use doubles or triples. 7 times 9, you can write it as the only way other way is
60.
7 times 3 times 3. Okay, what is this?
21.
21. You have to triple 21.
63.
We already did it. Do you remember? 21 plus 20 double. That is 42. And then add one more 21. You get 63 here. And then 9 times 7 also comes as 63. And then what is 8 times 8? That's easy. How to do? I don't want the answer, I want the procedure.
Double 8 3 times.
Double 8 3 times. Perfect. 8 times 8. Okay. First double gives you 16. Second double gives you
30. 32.
32. Third double gives you
64.
64. Where is that? 64 here. And then 8 times 9. I don't want the answer. I want the procedure. 8 times 9. How do you want to do it?
8 times.
You want to triple 2 times or double 3 times? You can do it as 2 times 2 times 2 times
2.
9. That is one way. Right or wrong?
72.
Or you can write it as
8 times 3.
8 times 3 times 3. Which one? Which way you want to try? Okay, so what is... Okay, you want to double 9 how many times?
18. 3 times.
3 times. Okay, what is the first double for 9?
18.
18. What is the second double?
36.
36. Second double. 36 plus 36, 72. Got it. If you get it, 72 here.
There's a 72.
There is a 72 here. And then the final one is 9 times 9. What is the procedure? That only way.
3 times.
I have another procedure.
Yeah, 9 times 9. You have a procedure. Go ahead.
First, you have to do one number less than the 9. 8 equals 8. And then you have to do 8 times what? 8 plus what equals 9, and it's 81.
Yeah, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. That's also possible. But today, we only use doublings and triplings and halvings. So how to do it? 9 times 3 times 3. You know this already? What is 9 times 3? 27. And then we have to take a double or triple?
Triple.
Triple. Triple for 27. Okay, first take a double. 27 plus 27?
54.
54. And then 54 plus another 27 gives you
81.
81? The same answer you got it? Got it. Okay, now we come back to the exception. Now we filled all the table. All the table. Only the exception is there. Yeah. Suppose, yeah, that's the odd man out. Right or wrong?
Odd number out. Odd number out.
So 7 times 7, take the help of 0 and tell me the answer. How do you want to try?
We can portion the 7 into 3 times 4.
Yeah, now actually you can use what Kaustubh said. Because it's an exception. So how should we do it? You just said it. You just said it for 9 times 9, but I want to use it for 7 times 7. How do we do it? 7 times 7 means, you can say 7 times 6 plus 7, or right? Right or wrong? Right or wrong? We have to add 7 sevens. There is no way to double, triple. So what we are doing here? Okay, first we know we add 6 sevens and then finally add another 7. What is 7 times 6?
42.
42 here. And then add one more.
49.
7, you get it?
49.
49. Right or wrong?
Right.
That's how we completed the tables. All of you got how the numbers came here?
There's a pattern of 9. So, example 2 times 9, the answer is 18. If you add the 1 and the 8, it makes a 9.
Exactly. If you see in the 9th table, if you add all the numbers, both the digits, you always get
9.
9. Yeah. What are the other patterns you observed? Go ahead.
8, 1, 1,
8?
18, 1, 8, 1.
Yeah. Here we have 18. Here we have 81. Right? What else pattern? What are the other patterns you found? Actually, next class we'll be doing more on this. Yeah, go ahead.
It is actually, it's most common for our class. 9, when you see the right side, it's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. It's going it's going in an descending order.
Yeah, 9, 8,
But
7.
on the left side, it's going in an ascending order.
Yeah, this is actually 0 here, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is going up and this is going down. Good. Good. Because it's close to 10, right? So that means go 10 steps and then 1 step back. That's why multiples of 10 do all the magics.
And 27 and 72. It's like just the opposite.
Exactly. 27 and 72, 81 and 18, 63 and 36, 54 and
45.
45. Good, good, good. You were about to say something? Same thing? Okay, no problem. I give credit to both you. Any other patterns you observed? Is that all?
In 5 tables, 5, 0, 5, 0.
Yeah, in 5 tables, see 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. The number ends with only either, in the 5 multiplication, either the number ends with 5 or 0. Wonderful, wonderful.
5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0.
And in the multiplication table of 2, it is only either 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. These numbers are called even numbers. Okay. Okay. In the multiplication of 3, we have all numbers. Oh, we have all numbers.
No, we have even.
We have even numbers. We also add odd numbers.
Odd, even, odd, even.
Yeah. You want to say something?
In 5 tables, on the left side, it's like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Then-
Yeah. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Why?
7, 8, 8, 9.
Why? Because there are how many 2s? How many 5s are in 10?
2.
That's why always it goes like this. The same way. What else? What else we have here? Here, here.
In the 6 table, there's only 2, 8, 4, 0, 6.
28406. 28406. Ah, yeah, you're right. Right. We'll come to that next week. Yeah, we have some games to play with that actually. Okay, so yesterday we tried multiply by 5. Do you all remember? Do you all remember, all of you? And we also learned multiplying by 10. Multiplying by 10 means you have to add a
0.
Got it? Okay, now ask you a tough question. What is 27 times 50? That's a shock.
We just multiply 27 by 5 and then we just have a 0.
She's right. You can add the 0 at the end. Right or wrong? First, you multiply 27 with 5. And then finally you can add 0, right? Right or wrong?
Right.
Yeah, what is 27 times 5?
Multiply by 10.
Multiply by 10 and then
Divide by 2.
divide by 2. Okay, what is 27 times 10?
270.
270. And then what we have to do?
That.
Divide by 2. What is that?
135.
135.
100 and?
35.
You can split the number like this. What is the half of 2?
100.
What is the half of 70?
35.
35. Is that the answer? Is that the answer? No, this 0 finally comes here.
1,250.
Right or wrong? You got it? This is a little tough. This is a little tough. Actually, I don't want to give this as a homework because I just want to see how difficult you will find it. Okay? This is tough. 85 divided by 5. This morning we learned it. How did we do it? If you want to divide by 5,
Divide by 10 and multiply by 2.
divide by 10 and multiply by, or multiply by 2, divide by 10. Which way you have to try first?
Multiply by 2 and then divide by 10.
Okay. So what is multiplying by 2 means?
Increasing,
Doubling.
double.
Doubling. What is the double for 85?
170.
How did you get it?
5 plus 5 is 10, and then add the 10 from doubling 8 plus 8 is 6.
Say 80 plus 80 is 160 plus 10,
170.
170. Is that the answer?
No.
So we double it, and then what we have to do? We have to divide by
10.
10. Dividing by 10 means we just have to. Dividing 10 means you have to half it.
No, you have to cancel the 0.
You have to take away 1 0.
And it's 17.
That's it, 17. Good job. Claps to Gustav. So 17. So dividing by 10, you take away a 0 on the right. Multiplying by 10,
You add a 0.
you add a 0 towards to the right. Okay, what is 2 times 10?
20.
20. Is it right? We added 0.
No.
No. We added left side or right side? Oh, left side, how many zeros you add? Does it have any meaning? Does it have any value? No, you have to put a 0 here.
No, it looks like 0 to 0.
But before we wind up today, I want you to tell me the trick. Say, for example, we already did the table 10 times 10, right? Using that table, you can do any multiplication very easily.
How?
For example, 18 times 3. How to do it? How to do it? I don't want the answers. Using the methods we learned today, how can we do this? 18 times 3.
Double it and then add another 18.
2 9s are
Yeah, 2 9s are 18. So you can say 2 times 9 times 3.
2 times 3.
Yeah, 2 times 3 you can do first. Good job. How much is that?
6.
6 times 9?
6 times 9 equals to 54.
Claps to Custom. You got it? All of you got it? Okay, using this number, this is called factorization. What do you call it? Factorization means suppose splitting 18 into
2.
simple products. What is a product?
Answer?
Yeah, product means multiplication of some numbers. You call it a product. Addition of some numbers, a plus b, we call it a sum. A times b, we call it a
Product.
product. Okay. So, separating a number into a product of small numbers is called
Factorization.
factorization. Those small numbers are called
factors.
factors. Okay, now I want to see if you all got it right, got it or not. Are you all ready? Say, for example, 16 times 7. How to do it?
2 times 8.
2 times,
8.
or maybe you can say put. Okay.
2 times 3 times
Yeah. Okay. 2 times 8 times 7. Yeah.
2 times 8.
How do you do it? You want to?
7 times 8.
Yeah.
56.
56, and then you.
6
Double
times
it. 1, 1, 2.
Double it.
Right or wrong? How do you do it?
8 times 7 and then double.
56 times 2. Right or wrong? So, what is the double for 56?
112.
50 plus 50. 100. 6 plus 6.
12.
12. So it's a 100 and.
12.
Oh my god, you're so smart. And the final one is 9 times 14. 9 times 14.
2 times 7.
2 times 7.
Times 9.
Okay. So 9 times 2 times 7. Are you done with this?
9 times 7.
Yeah, you can do first 9 times 7.
63.
63 and then
Double it.
how much?
126.
63 and then double. 63 times. Okay, is 126. Fantastic. Oh my god. Okay, that's wonderful. That's all for today.